to Tamil Nadu because we are told that more and more protests are breaking out across the state after the stabbing incident at the doctor. The doctor of the Kalaignar Super Speciality Hospital in Chennai was stabbed 7 times with a knife by the son of a patient, a cancer patient who was undergoing treatment. For some reason, the son got so agitated that he brought a knife and stabbed the doctors, who happened to have survived the incident. For now, his condition is stable, he's recovering, but it raises a massive question. How can someone just bring along a knife and decide to even kill the doctor? Doctors are therefore now demanding enhanced security at the hospitals, that the government ensure this does not happen again. This has led to a huge political furor as well. Shilpa, I come to you now. Which are the areas that you've heard of these protests, and what basically is their demand? Because it also reminds me of incidents in other states. And it looks like that the medical fraternity at some point is also working in fear that they shouldn't. What happened? What led this man to stab? What is the government doing about it?
Well, yes, Pooja, we are currently reporting from the Kalaignar Super Speciality Hospital in Chennai. This is the hospital where senior oncologist Dr. Balaji was attacked yesterday by a man named Vignesh, because he believed that his mother, who was undergoing cancer treatment at this hospital for the last 6 months, was given the wrong treatment, and he took out that anger against Dr. Balaji, saying that he treated his mother wrongly, and that is the reason he brought a knife with him when he came yesterday. He did it in his pocket, and once he entered the doctor's room, they spoke for a couple of minutes, and then Vignesh stabbed Dr. Balaji 7 times. Dr. Balaji sustained stab injuries to his head, his ears, chest, etc. And he's currently in the ICU. His condition is stable. We've been speaking to the senior doctors here and also the hospital director. All of them say that Dr. Balaji is doing well, and he himself, in a video that was put out by the health department, doing fine, he's stable, is what he said. But his family members are also present at the hospital. But as we speak, protests are taking place across Tamil Nadu. And here in the Chennai hospital as well, the government doctors here have gathered to condemn the manner in which this attack took place inside the government hospital against a very senior doctor. And they're, of course, demanding more security for doctors, asking the government to create an environment where doctors and healthcare staff can do their work without any fear. They can do their work in a safe and secure environment. That is the big demand coming in, because this is not the first time, doctors have come under attack in different parts. The doctors have come under attack in different parts of the country, and at present the senior doctors addressing the other doctors here. We'll just try and speak to some of them here. Sir, what are the demands? What are the fears?
Actually, we want to strengthen the security system, and we want this thing to be accountable. That's what we expect. But show our protest and solidarity for the issue which has happened now.
This is what almost all doctors we've been speaking to are telling, that they want more security and they want the government to take concrete measures, not just to say that we'll take action, but take concrete measures to ensure that there is enough security for the healthcare personnel. So clearly, at this point in time, the senior doctors are present here, and the protest will continue for another hour, is what we're being told. And it's not just in Chennai, but across districts in Tamil Nadu, similar protests are taking place, where the demands are the same. Increase security at hospitals, ensure doctors and healthcare staff have a safe working environment. That is the big demand coming in. From the side of the government, they say we've already created a blueprint, and instructions were given to the health officers in all districts in September itself, asking them to implement a slew of measures, regulate the number of bystanders that come in, install CCTVs, make sure there's good lighting, in the night time, ensure that there is police outposts in some of the major.
All right, so these are, remember, concerned doctors, because they believe that this, if not, has set a precedent, it could continue, and the government needs to take action right away to ensure the safety of those who try to save us. I'm leaving you with these visuals, heading into a very short commercial break. Stay tuned, because from Salem to Coimbatore, Chennai, protests have broken out in Tamil Nadu.